Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best inflatable photo booths that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Sayoc inflatable photo booths. With beautiful color gradients, the inflatable photo booth makes shooting beautiful for photographers. The shooting tent also comes with the construction of heavy-duty Oxford fabric. Moreover, the cubic tent comes along with 58 pieces of DIY kit. The dual stitching reinforces the structure of this portable photo studio. The quadruple stitching on the outer layer of this tent increases the life expectancy of the gear. It is one of the best inflatable photo booths. With the help of an inner air blower, this photo booth also makes inflation hassle-free and lesser time-consuming. Furthermore, this shooting tent comes along with power adapters, air blower, and power wires. The zippered door curtains make movement hassle-free for all. The nylon tarpaulin webbing increases the strength of the bottom and top sections of your photo booth. Moving on at number 4, we have Happy Buy inflatable photo booths. This inflatable photo booths has the construction of heavy-duty 210D Oxford fabric. The thick construction also offers resistance against flatting. Moreover, you can use this shooting tent for different purposes. So, you can carry this photo booth to places, like wedding parties, events, proms, advertising, and more. By using a cloth, you can simply wipe clean this thick fabric construction. The quick inflation fan of this shooting tent also makes inflation faster than other models. Furthermore, the 3-door design of this booth offers easier access to the interior space of this tent. The front door comes with zippered closure. You can hassle-freely roll up the door from both inner and outer sides with the help of magic tapes. The inbuilt 7-color RGB LED strips come along with simple remote control. At number 3, we have inflatable photo booths. This inflatable photo booth comes with a measurement of 8x8x8 feet. With the help of 2 doors, you can also have quick access to the interior space of this shooting tent. Moreover, this portable photo studio involves the construction of the heavy-duty fabric. The inflation fan along with an electric outlet makes inflation easier for everyone. You can simply deflate the photo booth by unzipping the bottom chamber. The LED light strips also come with 7 different color-changing functions. Therefore, by using a remote control, you can conveniently adjust the brightness and gradients of the lights accordingly. Furthermore, you can utilize this shooting tent for occasions, like weddings, promotions, birthdays, events, and more. The interior space is big enough to accommodate a large group of people. At number 2, we have inflatable photo booths by Sayoc. This inflatable photo booth with heavy-duty 210D Oxford fabric construction lasts for years. The dark outer layer also makes photo shooting sharper and perfect for photographers. Moreover, the color-changing light strips come with simple remote control. So, you can easily change the light settings according to your requirements. This tent consists of a single door. With the help of a rolling door curtain, this booth offers quick access to the interior space. This tent also comes along with an air blower. Therefore, the inflation process becomes easier for users. Furthermore, this tent does not take much time to complete deflation. The portable photo studio comes along with a repair kit, rope, and a packing bag. The bag makes storage and portability easier for professional photographers. And finally at number 1, inflatable photo booths by Airmat Factory. This inflatable photo booth comes with the measurements of 8.2 by 8.2 by 8.2 feet. With the 2-door design, this tent also 2-way access to the interior space. Moreover, you can roll up the curtains of the door whenever required. You can use this shooting tent for advertising, business events, and promotional events, and so on. A nylon bag helps you to store and carry this booth along with you to your locations. This photo booth also comes with a pair of zippered compartments to make deflation faster. Furthermore, This portable photo studio comes with the construction of heavy-duty and wear-resistant 210D Oxford fabric. With the help of an air blower, this tent makes inflation easier for all. This tent supports easy DIY installation according to your requirements. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.